Whose uncle taught you that?
My Uncle Sam.
Kaisao taught you about building a rocket. Wow, so you still remember? Okay, go ahead. Let's do it together.
We start with this.
Mm-hmm.
Then we put it this here. Then I think it goes this. Stays here. And this thing goes here. And this circle goes here. And these two big things goes here. And the last one goes here.
Wow! You made it! You remember it pretty well, is it? So now you're into the space, is it? I can see some planets roaming around, galaxies and... Oh, nice! Nice job!
Okay.